Um, it was funny nga one time I was asked by somebody and ang question is, ano daw yung ginawa ko for the past 20 years dito sa Canada? Really? Gusto
Yeah.
mong isa-isahin ko lahat yung mga ginawa ko dito sa Canada. Marami akong ginawa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi kung pagbabasehan mo ng success is pera lang, hindi pa ako successful diyan. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Pero kung pagbabasehan
I
mo
love that you mentioned that,
yeah,
ate.
pero
Yeah.
kung pagbabasehan mo ng success ilang tao na yung natulungan mo, aba
Yeah. Madami na.
mayaman tayo diyan, 'di ba?
Yun talaga dapat.
Oo.
It's about that.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
It's about helping other
and
people.
being as a nurse alone, like I mean ilang tao yung tutulungan natin, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So,
And it's like prioritizing them first
Yeah.
before your family most of the time.
Yeah.
Diba? Yeah.
yeah.